Hey, and welcome back to Ascend's YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and I'm one of the analysts here who help people understand their debt relief options so they can handle their debt quicker, cheaper, and easier. If you're facing financial hardship and struggling to keep up with your bills, you are not alone. For many, bankruptcy can provide a much-needed fresh start. But when it comes to essential services like water, electricity, gas, your phone bill, it can be scary to think about what happens if any of these go unpaid. Will they get shut off? Will bankruptcy protect me? Today, we're diving into what it looks like to include your utility bills in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy filing and how this might impact the status of your utilities. To help you better understand your options, we've included a link in the description to our free bankruptcy calculator. This tool can help you compare your options and estimate your qualification for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Before we start, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. Let's start by breaking down Chapter 7 bankruptcy and how it can help. Chapter 7 is a form of bankruptcy that can discharge unsecured debts. These include debts like credit cards, personal loans, and medical bills. However, utility bills can also be considered unsecured debts, so they might be included in your filing. When you file for bankruptcy, you're granted what's called automatic stay. If you're curious about how this works for your specific situation, don't forget to check out our free bankruptcy calculator linked below in the description. In simple terms, this is a temporary legal protection that stops creditors from collecting on your debts while the bankruptcy process is underway. The automatic stay can provide some immediate relief as it temporarily prevents utility companies from shutting off your services, usually for up to 20 days. However, there are some important things to keep in mind when it comes to your utility bills in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. First, if your utility services were already shut off. If that was the case and they were already shut off, the automatic stay does not automatically turn them back on. In this case, you might need to contact the utility company directly to inquire about hardship programs or restructured payment plans to get your services restored. Second, only past due bills are included. Chapter 7 bankruptcy can discharge unpaid utility bills that occurred prior to your filing. However, any new bills that you do accumulate after your filing are your responsibility. You'll need to pay these new bills in full to keep your services running. 3. Emergency bankruptcy filings. If you're in immediate danger of having your utility shut off, you might consider an emergency bankruptcy filing. This allows you to file quickly with just a petition and a few initial documents, giving you 14 days to complete the rest of the paperwork. The automatic stay goes into effect immediately, offering temporary relief. Don't get me wrong. Filing for bankruptcy can be a complex process. It's not just about filling out forms, but it's more so about how it impacts your specific situation. Our free bankruptcy calculator can guide you through the process by estimating your qualification and comparing your options. Check the link in the description to get started. A standard bankruptcy filing can involve more than 50 pages of documentation, which is why people choose to generally work with a trusted attorney to ensure everything is handled properly. To wrap things up here are the key points we went over today. The automatic stay can temporarily protect you from utility shutoffs, but it's not a permanent solution. New bills after your filing are not going to be included and must be paid in full. Emergency filings can be an option for those who need immediate relief. If you're considering bankruptcy to address unpaid utilities or other debts, it's important to explore all of your options. Aside from our calculator below, you can call our number here to reach one of our analysts at 833-272-3631. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing debt and understanding your financial options. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.